Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Telegram for cryptocurrency, easy method. Open Telegram and set up two-step verification before joining any crypto groups to protect your account immediately. Create a dedicated crypto channel for links and pin notes so you never lose important addresses. Join only trusted communities, mute noisy chats, and test bots with tiny amounts. Always keep recovery phrases offline and practice safe habits to reduce risk while you learn. Start by inspecting bot profiles, reviews, and channel history to confirm legitimacy before you tap anything. Restrict permissions to essentials and avoid bots that request private keys or withdrawal rights. Use burner wallets or tiny sums to test bots and commands so mistakes cost almost nothing. Keep a list of trusted bots in your channel and update it regularly to avoid phishing and impersonation attempts while staying efficient and confident. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which uses voice control and smart mapping to clean while you monitor crypto alerts. It's perfect for keeping your workspace tidy without interrupting trade checks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Choose a reliable non-custodial wallet and learn to back up recovery phrases securely in multiple offline locations. Always copy and verify every wallet address character by character to avoid clipboard hijacks. Enable transaction alerts and review fees before sending to prevent surprises. When receiving funds, pin trusted sender addresses and confirm amounts in chat. These steps make Telegram a practical tool for managing crypto without adding unnecessary risk or complexity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.